Yeah, greetings. Man up in the cloud right now. Man out on the road right now. Burning the high grace now. Greetings, greetings, greetings and salutations. Yeah, to all Jamaicans. You know it's Rastafarian soldier, ladies and gentlemen. The Approach TV. Yeah, I am on the rock and I'm talking about the top of the rock, not the one that's flat. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Rastafarian soldier and I'm here. Yes, Montego Bay, Jamaica. Of course, man up in the cloud right now. Man up on the load right now. Man up on the clouds. Man, what me say? We up in the cloud right now. Man up on the load right now. Man I run it now. Outside with there no people. Outside with there. Yeah, me just arrived. And of course, I have to have a slip in the side of my face. Yeah, we not waste no time. Man up in the cloud right now. I'm burning loud right now. Big up on yourself, my family. I am here. Have no fear. Rastafari. Yeah, more life and more joy. More happiness. Man up in the cloud right now. Yes, me in the crowd right now. Yes, I'm smoking loud right now. Right now. Man up in the cloud right now. Yes, I'm smoking loud right now. Yes, right now. Yes, right now. See it there? Cloud right now. Man up on the loud right now. Right now. See it there, people? In front of the arrival. Over there, some I go for my final destination for head out. But me a hold a meditation. Yeah. Burning all the pagans. Letting you know. Big up yourself. It's Rastafari soldier. Yeah. The Approach TV. Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. Real Youth TV. See it there, family? See it there? See it there? Me there. What me I say? I am here. Have no fear. Jargon T. See me there? See airport over there, so. Slipping on my mouth. Man up in the cloud right now. I'm smoking loud right now. Right now. Big up on yourself. Yeah. And no one else. Jargon T, top shelf.